Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanish Chand Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to helping learning mathematics. So today's we learn the arithmetic progressive. Previous video we have already learned what is the AP series, arithmetic progressive, what is the first term A and the common difference D and number of terms is N and nth terms is an and sum of n terms is Sn. Today we learn how we find the conditions and solve by any condition for AP series. But in previous video I said that in each question you always remember that in AP series we observe only 5 things. First E, second D, An and Sn. A first term, D difference, N number of terms, An nth terms and Sn sum of n terms. Here you always remember that if sum of 7 terms is given, then we write S7 or n is equal to 7. If we have given n 11th terms, then we write A11 because An and Sn represent the number of terms if it is given. So now we start the calculation. Today we take some time we have given any series conditions. Just like we have a AP series of An equals to 3 minus 4n. It is any AP series. Some students are confused here. A, D, An, nothing are given in number. So how we can calculate it? We easily calculate. First write the value of n because n is natural number. Starting 1 to 3 for finding 3 terms. Means E1 equals to 3 minus 4 multiply 1 means 3 minus 4 minus 1. A2 Now we have 3 terms E1, A2 and A3. Then we write AP series. It's minus 1, minus 5 and minus 9. Now we can want to find the sum of 10 terms and sum of 3 terms. Let's we take find. I writing this question in myself. It is not a book question of any book, but we can calculate in easily and understanding for any numbers and any terms. If he asks find 25th terms and sum of 25 terms. So now we have to calculate A25 and S25. So write the value in formulas. A and formula is A plus n minus 1 multiply D. In this question we have A is minus 1. A is minus 1. Then D minus 5 plus 1. Because we are subtracting minus 1, then it sign will be changed. Our answer is minus 4. Our answer is minus 4. Means D is minus 4. Then we have to find A25. A25, we remember that third terms is A plus 2D. Means A25 is A plus 24D. A plus 24D. That formula also easy. So we can calculate by both of any choice formula. A minus 1 plus 24, D is minus 4. Calculate it. Minus 1 minus 96 minus 97. Sum of n terms Sn is equal to, we have two formulas. First is n upon 2 bracket 2a plus bracket में n minus 1 bracket close multiply d. That is the sum long formula. But we have already also a formula n upon 2 bracket में a plus an. A plus an. Here we have no a minus 1 and an because here we have 25 terms means a25 is the an in last terms. So a plus a and formula we can use. So S25 25 upon 2 a is minus 1 and an is minus 97. 25 is not divided by 2, then we does not divide it. 25 upon 2 and multiply minus 98. It can be divided by 2, then divided 49 minus 25 multiplied by 49. Multiply it. Now we can calculate in easily by 25 multiplied by 50 and subtract 25. 25 5 ja 125 and 1250 subtract 25 1225. It is our answer. I am again repeating that. If we want to multiply by 14, then first we multiply 25 multiplied by 50. One time extra. We get 1250 and subtract from this 25. Then we get 25 multiplied by 49. It is easy to calculate. By this method, we can find Sn, En for any AP series if En are given in equations. Sn equal to 4n minus n square. Here Sn are given in alphabet. So similarly in previous question we take a value of n 1, 2, 3 for finding Sn. S1, S2, S3. I take S1 is equal to 4 bracket में 1 minus 1 square. We know that the sum of one terms is also terms. Because one terms we does not add anything, then it is also terms, means S1 is even. S1 is even. Then even is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have find value of A1. Next, S2. 4 bracket 2 minus square of 2. Now, sum of two terms is A1 plus A2. So, S2 is A1 plus A2. 4 2 ja 8 minus 4. Now, we put the value of A1 because we already calculated in previous step. So, 3 plus A2 equal to 4. So, A2 equal to 4 minus 3 equals to 1. We have calculated two values, A1 and A2. So, we does not need to find the A3, A4, and A5. So, we can have already AP series. A1 is 3, A2 is 1, then dot dot dot. Now, if you want to calculate the sum of for calculating any terms, first we write A 3, D 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and next if we are asked anything then calculate this, just like find third term, 10th terms and nth terms. Find the third terms, 10th terms and nth terms. For finding third term, we have know that A3 equal to A plus 2D. Put the value which are given in our questions. A is 3 plus 2 bracket minus 2. Then we get 3 minus 4 equals to minus 1. Then third term is minus 1. A10 equals to A plus 9D. A plus 9D. Now put the value. A is 3, D is minus 2, then 3 minus 18 minus 15. Now 10 terms is minus 15. For AN An we have not value of n. So its answer will become in alphabet and n in condition form. So An equals to A plus n minus 1 d. Put the value, A is 3 plus n minus 1, d is minus 2. And solve it. 3 as it is minus 2 multiplied by 2n minus 2n plus 2. Then our answer is 5 minus 2n. It is the An. It is the An. By this method, we can calculate the any AP series if En and Sn are given in equation form and alphabet form. So, thank you for watching this video.